Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing my favorite features and highlighting some of the key points of the 3/4 wig from Milano. So what's really cool is that it comes in processed hair or virgin hair. It's open wefting, so perfect for the summertime, super breathable and lightweight. It also doesn't have any ear tabs or a nape, so if you're like a sensory person or don't want any like pressure points, it's really light and easy to wear. This one is made for hair accessories or like a band. So this one doesn't have a skin top. It has the wefting going back, so it's perfect to have hair out of your face for the summer or any hot days. There's also different lengths, and then these also come in layers. So if you want something with really good movement and style, this 3/4 wig is perfect for you. So here is how you wear the 3/4 wig when the wefting is going back. You can have hair accessories, and so I have a band and I just like pulled some of the hair out front. Perfect to keep the hair out of my face, perfect for the summer heat, and this is what it looks like. So now I have the 3/4 wig with a skin top, which you can see right here, and also has a lace front. Super easy to blend with your hair. And what's really cool with the 3/4 wig, it is kind of like a hybrid between a topper and a wig. So it's perfect for me because I have a small head and it actually fits like almost like a wig for me, and I can pull out some of my baby hairs. I can even blend it with my sideburns, which is perfect. There's no ear tabs and a nape, so if you're like sensory or don't like those features, you don't have to have them. Super easy and comfortable, lightweight. It is open wefted, so if you're new to wearing hair and don't want something like heavy, they're low density and easy to style. They have pre-cut layers in it as well, so the hair feels really has really good movement and easy to style. So what's really cool, you can customize it. You can even change it to a 3/4 wig to a half wig if you wanted. And it comes in different lengths as well, so you can have like a longer or a shorter, and they also come in premium processed hair or virgin, so the customizations are endless. So here we have the 3/4 wig with the skin top, and you can see how it looks like here, and then also the open wefting inside, super breathable, perfect for the hot summer days. And then I want to show how the wefting goes back on this one. So this is where you wear a hair accessory, a headband to blend with this one with the hair going back, easy to get the hair out of your face. So some key takeaways that I love about these 3/4 wigs is that they're open wefted, super lightweight, and has layers already. So easy to style, perfect for the heat or the summer. I love this 3/4 wig because it has the wefting going back, and I'm able to pair it with a cute hair accessory, a headband. And this one was virgin hair, so it has beautiful highlights, so you can definitely style them. And they also don't have any earpieces or nape, so super easy to go on and put comfortable. But these are just some of my favorite features of the 3/4 wigs from Milano.